5-cord industrial plug, wiring demonstration. Unscrew the screw inside the plug, wiring panel exposed. Unscrew the pressure nose screw. Unscrew the wiring hole screw. Cut a cross hole in the tail wiring hole and insert the cable into the wiring hole. Grounding access to yellow and green double-colored wires. A neutral line, access the blue wire. LE fire wire, connect to the yellow wire. LR fire wire, connect to the green wire. L3 fire wire, connect to the red wire. Tighten the crimping nose screw.